To import building regulation notes onto your PlansXpress drawing is a very simple and straightforward process. In this guide today, it assumes you've completed the plan, as you can see on screen, and we've exported it across or imported across into EstimatorXpress. EstimatorXpress will then generate the building regulation notes. So what I'll do is I'll pop across to EstimatorXpress now, like so, and then I can export the building regulation notes that EstimatorXpress has created for us. To do that, I click on Export to PlansXpress, and it has successfully created the export. I click on OK, and I will now pop across to PlansXpress. Once in PlansXpress, I go to the Drawing and Annotation section. I then go to Specification Notes and select the text that I would like from the list that has been imported across from EstimatorXpress into PlansXpress. So we select the text that is needed. I'll go with the general notes here. There can often be any notes that you need from the list of notes that the software has created for you. I can then click on OK and then place onto the plan the notes as I see fit. So I'm going to select this top part here and tell the software to drop in the notes as required onto the plan. It is literally as straightforward as that to create and import onto your PlansXpress drawing your building regulation notes. Thanks for watching.